Hello everyone. In this video, we are going to see how to enable and disable buttons in Lightning Data Table. In Salesforce Lightning Aura component, we have Lightning Data Table. In that, we can display buttons. We can also enable and disable the buttons using disabled attribute. So here, whenever this particular active field, this is a custom pick list field on my account object. Whenever it is no or blank, then it will display this view button. If it is yes, then it will disable the view button. So we are going to see the code behind this behavior. First, I created a wrapper class. In the wrapper class, I have account name, is active boolean variable, account industry, account type, whether account is active or inactive. This is the pick list value, and this will be set by me based on this value. If it is yes, it will be true. If it is no or blank, then it will be false. And then ACC ID, where I'm going to have the account ID. I have another Apex class called account list controller. I have a method called fetch accounts. This will be called from my Lightning Aura component. I am fetching top 10 account records, and then I am using the account ID, whether it is active or not, the account type, industry. So this is the pick list field. If it is yes, then it will be true. If it is blank or no, then it will be false. So this is the variable which I will be using to hide and show the view button. And then the list account wrapper is passed to my Lightning Aura component. I am using fetch accounts from a Lightning Aura component in the init handler. I am calling the fetch accounts. I have account name, industry, type, active. So I'm getting all the values from my wrapper class. For the button, I have type attributes, label, view, name view, title view. For the disabled attributes, I'm going to use the field name is active. One important thing here is this is active will be true only when this active pick list value is yes. If it is no or blank, then it will be false. So in my columns, this button will be disabled or enabled based on this is active boolean variable. Using action, I'm calling my fetch accounts method from my account list controller. I'm storing the response in ACC list, and then in my Lightning data table, I'm displaying my account records. So the key field, it cannot be ID, it should be ACC ID. So now it is no here for this testing account, and it is displaying the view button because as per my columns definition, if is active is true, then only it should disable. If it is false, then it will enable. If it is yes, then it will disable. If it is no or blank, then it will be false. So based on that, I am able to enable and disable the button in my Lightning Aura component Lightning data table. So make use of type attributes. In the type attributes, make use of disabled attribute. You can dynamically make it enabled or disabled based on the field name. Please check the video description. In the video description, I have shared my blog post. From the blog post, you should be able to get the sample code which we referenced in this video. I hope it was helpful. Thank you for watching.